Good day, fellow farmers all around the world. It's your friend James bringing you another video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to support our cause and to be updated with our latest videos. I've been away for quite too long, and I will give you an update on the developments in the farm for the last week. For this day, or the time that I came back, the entire area was covered with nets, and we already determined where we will put the footbath, and this is the entrance going towards the poultry houses or the ranging areas of our chickens. The purpose of this footbath is to disinfect the people or the visitors coming inside the poultry houses to look at the chicks that we are selling. It is part of the biosecurity protocol that we adhere in our farm to secure the safety of our flock and to eliminate the risk of contracting diseases coming from people outside of the farm. This is our grow out area where we harden our chicks up to 2 months, and then we set them on to the next area of the poultry, which is the hardening area. And then after they reach the age of 3 months, they will be transferred to the range. Again, these are heritage breeds, the Australorp, Rhode Island Red, Sussex, and the Plymouth Barred Rock. The native chickens that we have, which are the darags, are already set out earlier to the ranging area because they are fighting inside their pens. The sampen chickens that you see are already going to their 6th month. So we are expecting them to lay eggs, and already we are very excited because we are going to see the breeding that we have if they're able to stand by their name as Zampen Hardened Chicken, which was developed here in Zamboanga Peninsula. Another thing that we are excited about is also these Hubbard hens are already laying brown eggs, and we see that they are very healthy, and we are also excited to see if they are able to produce chicks which are like them. As I was saying a while ago, our darag chicks are already in the ranging area, and you can see that they are very happy because they're on the ground and not in their pen, and we see that there is less fighting than before, than when they were enclosed in the pen, and they are living freely like most chickens do here. On our next video, we're going to share to you how to start a free-range chicken farm here in the Philippines, complete with the computations, the cost, the profits that you're going to make, and also the aspects that you need to know in starting a free-range chicken farm business. And we are doing that because most of the comments that are in the videos are asking us the basic things that a prospective chicken farmer should know. One of the most important things that you need to consider in starting a free-range chicken farm is securing the perimeter and adhering to biosecurity protocols. Like what we did earlier, we made a footbath for the visitors so that they will be disinfected before they enter the premises of our farm. We will be sharing to you what disinfectant will we use in the farm. Now this is the moment where we say the shoutouts to all our friends and subscribers, especially to TJ Raagas of Berlin Gaming and Isel, his partner. They gave us good ideas about the next episodes that we are going to make and the series which will explain all the aspects of free-range chicken farming. And also to Mr. Mark Aposaga, who is my idol in videography and photography. Sting Taglakaw. So we covered the entire area with this net, which can be bought in any store. You can also buy it online, but we usually buy them here in some fishery supplies. Those who sells net or those who uses net to catch fish. So right now I am showing you the entire area of the farm that we covered with nets. And there's a dog that does not recognize me, so let's just let him be. Ito! Try to look at the entire area of the farm. You can see walking down the perimeter, and you can actually see what we've made. It's not actually finished, we're just developing it from time to time. Because we have a progressive strategy. If you use your money to develop it one time, it would be very costly. So that's it. It was just developing it from stage by stage development. Right there. That is the Azolla plant we are developing, we are planting. This is the Azolla. It's a pond. There. Actually see the Azolla here. Amo. Ban ko. soon these chickens will be transferred to the range, and they are up for transfer in 2 weeks time, and you will see them that they will be added to the chickens who are already in the range right now. And for those of you who are still not subscribed, please like, subscribe, comment on the video, and click the bell icon for all and to see most of our videos. And thank you for being part of our community. For those who are subscribed, thank you for subscribing. This is your friend James, and until next time, keep safe and let's continue to fulfill our dreams. Goodbye.